What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your hub bearing on a Kia Optima. This is 2019. It's been in an accident and the hub is bad, so I'm going to show you how you change that. And what I want to focus on is this, how the new hub come. I don't know which year it start from. If it start from 2017 and up, but the 2016 and 2015 one and down doesn't have, it's not a bolt-on hub, so you would have to press out the bearings and press it in. But this one, they changed the design, so all you gotta do is take out 1, 2, 3, 4 to get that hub out. And this is a used hub I got, by the way, from another 2019 one. As you can see, I got this one from the junkyard. So alright, so if you're driving and you hear the sound like woo, 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 you check your tires, all the treads are even. And if you swing the car from left to right, you hear the sound change, then you know it's your hub bearings that's bad. And if you want to know if you have the hub like what's in this video, you would have to come jack up the car, get underneath it right here and check to see if you have those. Alright, that's the other way, that's one way to see. And from that, now you want to come down here. So let's say worst case scenario, he doesn't have the hub. The hub doesn't have this, right? You'd have to try to order something like this to get the whole thing. Or if you do order the bearings by itself, you would have to send the bearings somewhere to get pressed out and pressed in. Alright, so that's the difference in changing a hub. Or if you get this, you take off the strut from here, the brake caliper from here, ball joint from here, and tire it in from here and take this off. Alright, so let's get to it. 2019, so I'm going to show you how to change it on the 2019. Alright, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, help me help you. Alright guys, so the next step is going to be is to remove the tire, which is going to be 21mm, or you can use your lug tool that come with the car. Alright, so the next step I'm going to do is turn the steering wheel to the right, because I'm on the right side, so turn the steering wheel to take out the brakes caliper. Alright, so when you get it like this, it's more easy to work with. This is supposed to be 17mm right here and another one right here, so let's get that. There, or you can use a bungee cord to tie that up so it don't fall. Don't leave it hanging on the hose. All right, so let's do this. What we're going to do is take out this Phillips screw right here. So this is an impact screwdriver. case this one wasn't tight. So let's show the other one. They weren't tight, but in case they weren't tight, but in case they were tight, you'd have to put it on it like this. Twist it. Alright. So they weren't tight, but in case they were, you'd have to do what I just did to get them off. Alright. Take that off. So now would be a good time to spare your WD-40. But this car is not that whole and it's not that rusted, so I might not need it. I'm just gonna knock right here. And it should come loose like that. Go ahead and take that off. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over there, 14 millimeter. All right. So I got this from the junkyard, which I'm gonna take out right now. So if you guys have this this one, that's how you take that out. All right, that's the same thing I'm gonna do in the car, and it should just come right out like that. All right. So what I'm trying to explain to you guys is that the older car did not stay like this. It used to just stay like that. There wasn't no holes to bolt that in. This used to be one with the bearing, so you'd have to press it out and press it in on the newer car. You would have to take it off just like this, the whole spindle. All right, our steering knuckle. You got to take off the whole knuckle. So if you have an older car, I'm just going to tell you how to do it. It's very easy. And then you would have to take it to a shop to get it pressed. Alright. So on the older car, you would have to take out this to remove it from the strut. That's one. Next step is remove it from right here. Just tie it in. That's the other step. And the other step is to remove the ball joint from here. Alright? And then when you remove the ball joint, you're just gonna take this out. Alright? So let's follow the rest of the step, because you also, on the older one, you gotta take this out too. And it's gonna be an 1.25" socket. Alright? So I'm gonna do this. Alright. It looked like somebody been in here before me. As you can see, they messed up the threading right here. So let's get to it. You wanna make sure you have free play in this right here. That's good. Come back here with your 15mm to take this off right here. Alright. So guys, I probably say 15mm, but it's 14mm. Alright. I don't remember what I said. It's about 15 or 14, but it's 14. Alright, so let's get that out. other one is on the other side. I gotta turn it to get to that, to get access to that one. All right. Got the old one off. I don't know if you can hear the sound, but it made noise. So the new one doesn't. Well, the new used one doesn't. So guys, after you tighten those 4 bolts, 14mm, I'm gonna put this on. So you just tighten that right here, and now you want to knock these in. All right. Knock it in so it locks, and that's it. Time to get your rotor. Put it on. Make sure you line up your screws. I'm not gonna tighten them all the way tight. Just untighten them, because these can get real hard to, like if you want to change your rotors or your pads, you want to change your do brakes on your car, change your rotors, and you take it off already, just don't tighten it all the way back. Alright, just use your hand and tighten it as much as you can with your hand, because these sometimes they can be a real pain to take off. Alright. Make sure you tighten that up. So right here is the point where you want to double check your work, make sure everything you take off is tight. Alright, make sure that's tight, make sure that's tight right here. And for you guys that's working on the older car, make sure these It's tight. Make sure this is tight. Make sure this is in place and tight also. Alright. Thank you guys for your love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Help me help you. Alright. Only thing left right here is to put on your tire, and you guys can do that already. Alright. Peace out. See you next time.